All right, guys, what's up? What a great day. December 30th, close to New Year's Eve. Hope you had a great day today on Monday. Another fantastic day. If you join me on the live stream, I did it free on YouTube. I called a 21,250 low, 80 points before it traded on NQ. I told everybody, wait, 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 wait. And then you'll hear me say also on the E-mini into 59.18. I said, look out. I think the low is in. I sent a very, very strong warning as well um, on the live stream. Proof is in the pudding. You can hear me do it live for the first hour of the day and spend the rest of the day with my team. So if you like what I'm doing, give me a like on the video. Give me a subscription to the channel so I can keep on doing what I'm doing, showcasing the power of order flow to everybody. No indicators, no moving averages, no stupid chart patterns, just the order flow, man. Sorry if you can hear my kid go in the background. He's having a great time. Love that kid. And if you want to join us, the link is in the description. Come and find out what the magic's all about. Understand what all these numbers do, how I can see it coming before it happens. You get an amazing trade plan every day. You get me live on the mic all day long. You get fresh webinars that are uploaded to the website every day. You get trade plans that are laid out before the market happens. You get me a half hour before the market even opens on the mic, talking to you guys, reviewing the trade plan, going over levels. Super involved with the team, right? I'm not such some dude who sends out a newsletter and says, these are my levels. If you want to actually learn what's going on, come see me. You'll make up the monthly in one little trade. I promise you. It's $50. It's nothing for the amount that I give you. All right. It's very, very good value. Anyways, let's get into it. I'm going to try to keep this short and concise. What happened today? So you can see me, what is this, 2 hours? 2 hours before the market opens. I said, good morning, folks. NQ, we have sold off 718. We were short last night off our 718. These aren't new levels. We've been trading them for weeks, which opens up 562.5 today as we went over yesterday. What was today's high? 562.5. I'll show you. Use this again as your pivot today. Underneath it opens up 484, but folks will try to get in front of it. Previous day's lows. Da, 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 da. This is early this morning. I'll show you what I sent out after balance. 562 holds. We got those upper levels right there. Below 562, 484, then possibly 486. We sold a lot deeper, and I'll go over why. ES, same deal, right? But this was key here today. Bulls ideally want to keep this here and not accept really lower other than 76. What happened after reclaimed after we tried to reclaim 76? I'll go over that. Then ideally they buy 95 here, right? This is well before the open. What happened after? Well, we sold down, right? People, I said to the team, and I said before in the live stream, I said, these guys are we're going to open up this market and we're going to sell. People are going to slam this thing low. We want people to slam this thing low so we can find out where the low is and take advantage of everybody who's going to short today because the market is going to go long. It's just a matter of time. So we set out the open session. We let it sell. And I said this on the live stream. Go back and watch it. So this is what I said after balance. I said, good learning session. Okay. This is what I went over. Everything we said would happen on the short side did. We hit 21,250 NQ. I gave that level 80 points before it traded. Look what happened. We hit 59.3750 and for now accepted below, right? If we cannot recover 59.37, it opens up 58.98. Many shorts will sell here below 30. Okay. Trying to break down balance. Okay, so this is what happens, right? Everybody, when we open C period, right? 9:30, 10 o'clock, 10:30, we open up at initial balance low. This is typical where I see a whole lot of people short, 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 short. Yeah, yeah, man, short it. We're below, we're breaking down. Balance is going to break. Uh-uh. If you were paying attention to 10 o'clock, it showed you everything you needed to see that was not going to happen. They bought the living snot out of the market at those lows, and I'll go over it, right? And this is why we were long, right? This C period to me is very important at 18. If it holds and reclaims 27, I like the possibility back to 937 decision will be made. Absolutely. What did happen when we got to 937? We went to 76 that I went over before the bell rang. Where did the NQ go? It went all the way to 562. Killed it. NQ as well. Hold 250, 21 250, rotate to 328, then to 67. 21 250 is a very important level overall today. And in context, below opens up much lower. We didn't. We rotated up to the levels I mentioned 2 hours before the market even opened. Let's get into the charts. Okay. There's one more little message here. Oh yeah, I gave them the top at 92. As we came into 92 on the E-mini, I said, visit 92. Look very tired here now. And it was literally the top of the day. We wanted 96. We were going to short 96, but at 92, you could see um, bid was done. They could not bid up anymore. We distributed the market and we sold all the way down to our 57 into the close. It was beautiful. We got under 76 last 30 minutes of the session and we drilled down to our 57 level right off our 76. Like absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this is me all day long, right? And giving order flow updates to all my team. We stay on the right side of things. We look for the proper entries at proper levels. Come and hang out. Let's get into it. NQ, here we go. 21 250. This is the level I gave on stream up here. As we were selling it down, I said to my team, I said, let's wait, right? Let's get into 312, 300. Let's see what happens. Ideally, once we got down into 312, I said, okay, this thing wants to trade 250. Go back and listen to the live stream. We literally trade 21 250 and we just took off, man. Where did we trade right to? My 406.25 level. To the magnet. Look at the top tick. Goes right to 406, right? Goes right there. Where again, we sold off from. The open was right where? 406. Okay, these are levels I've been playing for like 3 weeks, guys. This is not new. But you to understand the levels that I trade off of, it's always context, right? The market always has a roadmap on how it likes to move, right? I know if we defend 250, we'll rotate to 406. I know if we get over 406, we can rotate to 562. What happened? We pushed through 406 and we just kept one time frame in this market, no pullbacks. Where did we go, guys? 562. I've been trading this level for 3 weeks. Boom, 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 right? It goes right to it. This is order flow. Distribution, where we drop to, right to 484. This is another level I've been trading for 3 weeks. It goes right to my level, 484. So when you understand the movement of fractal auctions, this is how price moves. Moves in fractals, right? This is the basis of my trading, and order flow is just a confirmation of this. Okay. I don't teach fractals. I'm not teaching nobody none of it, but I teach the order flow. And this is just a beautiful sequence here. Massive distribution shelf, very, very aggressive imbalance here starting at 1 o'clock. And then we just roll, or sorry, 1:30, and then we rolled over right to 2. They tried to buy it again and, couldn't find anybody interested to get this day the close over 562, which they needed. And where did we sell down to, guys? 406.25 into the close. Right? It was a great day. Levels hit like absolute magnets. Um, Overall, a great day, right? And like I said, I don't care about this open sell. Some people ask me, they're like, Sean, if you know where it's going, why don't you jump in it? Because when we're trading the open, there's nowhere for me to get in. I don't trade 5 minute bull flags and 1 minute this, that, and opening range this. I don't trade any of that crap. I just sit and wait. I know price is going to come down here, so I just wait, right? I don't care about missing this. Why would I care about missing this when I can catch this entire friggin' move where I know where price will go? Because the only thing that happens now, only thing that matters here is one level. If we go over 406, I know we're going to 562, right? And this isn't new, right? I'm not redrawing these levels at the end of the day. These levels have been on my charts for weeks. Go back and look at the previous meetings. Okay. So anyone that calls bullshit, you're a liar because you just got to go back and look at the previous videos, right? And I do my best to help my team, right? I love it when they crush it. So that's the NQ, man. This is the E-mini. Same thing. Remember what I said about 18? If you go back, listen to the live stream, I specifically said, even right into the webcam, I said, guys in the video or guys in the room, you guys know what this means here at 18. You guys know exactly what this means. The fact that we could not print under 18 is a trigger. It's a trigger. And most guys won't understand it. That is a trigger. So what did I say? 18, 530, 59.37 and 59.76. Look at this 30-minute close here. So once we close the session, for everybody, if they missed it here, everybody in the room was long. Everyone. 937.5. It doesn't get any easier there for us. Close the session over, pull back. Where's it go to? Literally within the tick of the level. There's no selling. There's no more inventory to sell. All these shorts are now absorbed and trapped, and we take off. Short covering resumes, and see you later. Guys tried to sell the open print. Sorry. Market goes green, breaks out of balance. So that's my kid. And we get to target right to 59.76. Now we looked above, and this is where I said right here into 92 that the bidding was done, right? In this message, right, where is it here? Right here. Bids at 92 look really tired here now. Absolutely. So this is 11:14. So this is the hang on here. I gotta do 2 hours. 12 no, 1 o'clock session? We have 1 o'clock session? Yeah, right here. I said it right here, right at the top, 92. Said bid. Hey, puppy. Sorry, my kid's going crazy. Said bids look really tired here. All right. And then we rotated in between. We had a level right here at 86, 86 and a half. And we just rotated all day long. Um, we just distributed market, right? They pulled the bid here right at the last hour of the day. And then look at this beautiful short setup we got. Boom, we close the 30 underneath it. We pull back, we short here, and we get a 20-point straight drop to our 57 level. Textbook, man. Textbook. Yes, there's a level right here, right? You can't see it, but there is. I know IB low and all that is there, but it's 57 and a quarter. Um, I just didn't want to draw it out for a because it wasn't really that important of a level, but there was one there. But as you can see, perfect context. So if you want to hear this stuff live, go back and watch the live stream today. It's on YouTube. It's in the live stream section here on the web on the channel. And I'm calling this entire move down, and I called the bottom right here, and I called 21,250, 80 points before trade, and said I think we're going to go there. And once it traded, we just took off, man. It was like full on inflection point, and the market just didn't stop bidding, right? So everybody who was short here today got ripped, right? And we knew it would, right? We just needed enough people to get short down here to reverse the market on them. And then they just stumble over themselves and send the market higher, right? So it was very obvious, right? The reason why this thing went long is because all you guys are shorting weakness. You see this and you're like, oh man, short. So you get short here at the open. You're like, oh, this is an all day fade. Just like, oh, we're going to fucking crush it. We're going to go down to 5,900. And then this happens here. And then you don't know what happened here. And then you're sitting comfy, you're like, oh, this is great. And then you get ripped on this and you go, oh, this isn't good, right? Once we close over this, this was the level, right? You can tell by the tape, right? And this is why I had this level, 937.50. Look what happened. We pulled back. All inventory now. There's nothing left to sell. Nothing left to sell. Boom. Took off at 937.50. This is the level we laid out early this morning, 2 hours before the market even opened. And then we just took off, man. Never pulled back. All these guys stopped out, and it's a beautiful day. We ended up almost backfilling this entire move. So it never pays to sell weakness, guys. If you're shorting on an overnight sell and you're shorting the very next day and you're coming in and you're like, let's go short. Well, I don't know what to tell you, man. Unless you're day two of a 150, 180 point sell day, that can be continuation. But this type of stuff is just suckering you in, man. It happens all the time, right? If you haven't studied this, this is the type of stuff that we go over, right? We review this stuff every day, right? Every week, right? We cover this stuff. So we're really well versed to it. Anyways, I think last trading day of the year tomorrow. Super stoked, man. Hope everybody on YouTube had a good trading day today. I know we did. We were long and it was simple and easy. And we'll see you guys first thing tomorrow morning. You catch me live on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, man. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll keep the party going. And we'll see you guys first thing tomorrow. Last trading day of the year. I'm pretty stoked. Thanks, guys.